Here's a giant water bottle.
No.
You smacked my water bottle. Look what you did. You wet my bed.
Squawk. Better not throw any poop on me. I'll eat it.
Here's a lot of it.
Oh, whoa. Oh, no, I'm wiping it on your mom. Stop it. Stop wiping it on me. Gross.
Wipe it on me?
No, gross. You have poop all over your arm.
Ew. Here's some poop for your bird.
Squawk. Miss me.
Looks like he was doing a curly.
Okay. Pretend you're sleeping and flying. Okay,
It's gonna be
sleep
bad.
and fly. Sleep. Here's some poop. Open your bag.